my life in the old country, though not finding peace. My roots have grown deep. I've lived my life in the old country, its joys and its pain don't want me to leave. The place I have lived is not what it seems. The praises of men have put me to sleep. I wanna know how it feels to be free. I'm not good at goodbyes, but I have to leave. Invited unto death, till all that I have left is everything I need, and I begin to breathe in the new country, in the new country. Space, be present each moment, each breath that I take.